Alex Stone, welcome to Bodycam, presented by Ride Along Podcast. We're here with Reid Kerr, former police officer. Reid.
Glad to be here, man.
Boom,
let's get into it.
Reid's a man of many words.
Yeah.
I'm assuming this is a call. There's no traffic on the radio.
995 over the drive-thru.
Okay, it's a call. They're just creeping. Okay. So they got a suspect. Oh. There's no cop. So they're all taking corners of the house. Right. Or I guess is a commercial building.
Looks like a bank.
Oh yeah, I thought it was a coffee shop. Oh yeah, they're posted up. So they're in this situation. Would you have? I'm assuming they have like an active burglary in progress, or a bank robbery in progress. You want to take each corner, that way you can cover two sides of a building. So worst case scenario, you can cover an entire building with two people, one on each opposite corner. If a suspect runs, you'll catch them in that view. Then you call it out, and then you go after them.
Yeah, it sounds like they're hearing something though.
Right,
on the video, it sounds like you're hearing something. So, no background on the call, no idea if hey, there's actually somebody on site.
This could be a raccoon.
This could literally be one of their 12th alarm for that night. It's 2:21 in the morning.
Oh yeah.
Alarm time is that 2 o'clock in the morning to 5 in the morning.
False alarm.
Yeah, it's all sorts of crazy. You don't know if it was a windy day. Believe it or not, wind is the ultimate burglar.
Yeah.
It tends to cause all sorts of alarms, so who knows?
That's not wind.
Nope. Yeah, that's definitely not wind.
I gotta say, these cops are being so quiet right now. I love it.
Yeah,
They're just
I
waiting.
don't think he knows.
No, I don't think he knows either.
Yeah,
This is great.
I think it's like a surprise on Christmas. It's just a different kind of surprise.
Oh, this is great.
The assumption is that there's nobody inside of this building. I think that's a fair assumption. I'm again assuming that there's an alarm, but if there was somebody inside of this building, as you can see, the officers have pulled their weapons. They don't know what they're getting into. A big thing is safety of how you're going to deploy that weapon if you have to use it, whatever that is. If there were people inside of it, definitely taking a different angle so that you're not putting potential innocent people at risk.
So that cop was teed up. He was at a 90-degree angle of this chute that opened, and therefore he had no visibility of what was going on. So he moved off to an angle so he could have a better view of possibly what's coming out. So far, so good.
Yeah, he's got his gun in his hand.
Oh, look at that. This is great.
They're just waiting for him, poor fella.
Wow.
Surprise.
On the ground, motherfucker! On the fucking ground! Oh, fuck.
Oh, that's a bad landing spot.
Get out.
Okay. Just fucking put your hand behind your back.
That guy didn't want anything. He wanted none.
So, yeah, this is hilarious. I love this.
Yeah.
Definitely overall like a 10 out of 10. The only thing that I was a little bit surprised about is none of them established who would be lethal or non-lethal in this situation. They both had their guns out, and then at one point the guy grabbed the person, had his gun in his hand.
He did, yeah.
Wasn't really doing anything, was just kind of stuck in this weird phase, like, I don't know what to do with my hands. Maybe some quicker decision making, but overall really good.
Who's here with you? 951 in custody.
Yeah, like I said, I think you're right. No one said I'll go lethal. You'd be less lethal. They both had their guns drawn. They could have went to cuffs a lot faster. He could have had a weapon.
Yeah.
I think they got lucky because he was so stunned because he fell into that recycling bin.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that threw them. I think
knocked
that threw
them out.
everybody off.
Yeah.
I think it threw the suspect off. I think it threw them off. I think that
Now that I'm thinking about it, I think that he used that to climb in that shaft.
he may have
Because
initially.
who would keep a recycling chute right there?
I don't know that. Yeah, that actually makes
wow.
sense.
Okay.
So pretty crazy. That was fun.
I
like
love it. Bodycam. Check it out.